outside today. Everything is so quiet. I heard the hawk, but now it's dead quiet out here. Listen to that. Not a peep, not a bird, not a peep. Oh, insects. I gotta check the front. See how nice? This is all screened here. That will have a roof on it. So we're leaving this open. Yes, the ducks are all out there underneath the trees. So it's about 10:30, I guess. Yes, oh, it's way too quiet. Not even any squirrels out here. So weird. Oh, well. I don't know where that is. Oh, here's the damn air conditioner. Isn't this weird? It's just so weird. Not a peep. Even Shadow's looking like, where's the critters to chase? There ain't none. There ain't none. Is my bird feeder empty or something? Well, one's got plenty of food. One's still got food in it. Oh, it's clumped up in there. Must have gotten wet. Oh. But it's still coming out. Yeah, I'm making a mess. But you gotta make sure it's moving. The food can get out of there. Huh. Nothing going on. Not a damn thing. Well, that's good. It's bees. I don't know if those are real bees or if those are the hornets. Either way, you're pollinators. Don't care. Just happy that you're here. Well, why'd y'all have to get on the underside of the balloon? There they are. Man, one of your boogers. Of course, they went over to those pink flowers. Aren't those pretty? They don't have pretty greenery. I mean, they look dead, but they're not. Look how they're fleshed out blooming. I need to put them somewhere to when they go to seed, they'll be in the ground. I'm just not sure where I'm going to put them yet. I better decide soon. Actually, I better put them in a big pot. That way I can move them in the house for winter. Yeah, it's too fucking still out here. Quiet. Not a bird. Not a wren twitting at me. No chickadees, nothing. Yes, we're going through the jungle here. I want to look over here. Something fell out of that tree yesterday, and I would have swore it was a bird come crashing down in here. But I thought, well, maybe it was a snake fell out of the tree, but I didn't come out here at the time and look. Let me step in here and see if there's any evidence of a crashing item. Oh, you know what? There is evidence of a crashing item. A big old limb, and it's right where I saw something fall. So I'm going to say that I saw a limb fall. Yep, that's what I saw. Can't wait for these to bloom. Show y'all the acacia blooms. Are so pretty. I've got the 1, 2, 3 acacia trees back here. Okay, I think those wildflowers did stay white. Oh my goodness, look at all the activity of, I'm not sure, they don't look like regular bees. I'm not sure what they are. Those little hornet looking things. They're not aggressive. Wow. Okay, so we got, of course, that purple bloom. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those pretty in there? They are. That one did stay white. See, it stayed white. So they are white. They sure are flushing out with so many blooms. I mean, I know I could cut them. People grow them to cut them. They do make for good cut flowers, but I'd rather them stay alive out here. And they'll stay alive a lot longer attached to the plant. they would in a vase in the house. And I enjoy them much more out here. Such a big flush of color. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. And the bees and the butterflies really like them, so. And that's the point. That's what I plant. I plant for, hey, that came back. It's actually doing pretty good. That lily, well, it's not a lily. That didn't come from a bulb. It's an iris, type of iris. It actually, no, that does come from a, no, it's a seed pod because it's above the ground. Okay. I had to remember how I cultivated it. I actually got it from Fort Myers, Florida, from a big plant there by their pool. My sister-in-law was like, come look at these. So I brought the seed pods home, so it took like 4 years to get them that big. I know, right? Well, I'm glad to hear y'all finally making, yeah, I hear you. Uh-huh, got woodpeckers, blue jays, making a fuss. You hear that? Yes, I know it sounds like a squirrel, but it's not. That's a bird. Listen. There he is. It's a flicker. It's a little woodpecker. Uh-huh. Oh, that's a catbird. Holy shit. And a blue jay up there. I'm going. You're out of peanuts already. I'll get you some more. That's why they ain't out there shadow. They done ate everything, sugar. Look at my beautiful shadow. Yeah, I know you're hot laying there, sugar. Come on, baby. Come on, let's go back in the house. Come on, sweetheart. It's just too hot for you to lay around up here. As Leaf has got himself flipped over. There you go. Can't believe how big that ginger has gotten. He chopped that all down. It's come back with a vengeance. We gotta get some nuts. Alright, there I put piles of peanuts down there. Just that quick. I know, it's just that quick. Here come the chickadee. She's like, about time you put something else in there. Oh, she's so little. Oh my gosh, that little chickadee. I'm sure y'all can't see her. She's so tiny. She's, oh, yeah, she's on the common feeder now. She's back and forth from the tangerine tree to the feeder. I'll move back so those bigger birds can come down as I put some more piles of peanuts down there. I didn't think the crows come this morning. They cleaned up the peanuts pretty bad. Between them and the squirrels, they cleaned up on the peanuts. Damn, is it hot, y'all. Let's see what's going on with the sunflower, how it progresses into from flower to seed. Yeah, they are turning more of a brown color. Come on, baby. It's too hot. Come on. I'm done. I just wanted to put some more nuts out there for the blue jays. I think that might be a catbird up there. Sure looks like one. That crazy sound. Alright. Yeah, they just want me to put more food down. See, now that sounds normal. Oh. I scared myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if we... I think it's just the heat. Because even the ducks are all scooched up under the bushes and they're just chilling out. So I think it's just the heat. Even my dog just got his blanket. It's like, yeah, it's hot. I'm going to take a nap now. Huh, well... Doesn't sound like a bad idea. Not a nap, but maybe a... I don't feel like reading. No, you say it's going to rain, but I don't see it. But I'll trust you, tree. We show it's going to clearly, just how soon. Okay, I'm done.